everyone. My heart goes out to all of you who have family or friends that are in seriously affected areas. I myself am here in Bali, but my eldest son, Daniil, is actually in Washington State, which is one of the heavily affected areas. So my heart goes out to all of you who are in very similar situations, and how much this coronavirus pandemic is impacting all of our lives. And so because of this, I was strongly guided to create this 3-week online program, especially for all of you who are already in quarantine or locked down in your countries. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to nurture you. And this program, Radiantly Well, is all about how to strengthen your immune system, how to get you out of fear, and how to change any negative programs or beliefs that are really creating more anxiety and stress for you in your life. And I've put it together with my more than 20 years of experience. I have a wealth of tools and information that I am so excited to be sharing with you, because I have used all these tools with myself and my clients, and they absolutely work. So this is the time to take care of yourself, nurture yourself, and really be sure that you have a strong immune system so that you won't get sick. So I'm going to share one of the tools that you're going to learn on this program. And it's a very simple tool, but it's one of many things that you're going to learn. And it's called the thymus thump. So you take your hand like this, and you just come here to your thymus, and you just thump. And you do this for about a minute or two, and I would recommend doing it several times a day, anytime you think about it. And what that does is that will activate, the thymus gland controls your immune system, so it will activate, it will wake up your immune system, and it will keep your immune system active and running and keep you from getting sick. So that's just one of many things that you're going to learn on this online program. The dates again are April 9th, 16th, and 23rd. Bali, Singapore time from 4 to 6:30 p.m. And we also have, compatibility for Australia and the UK. So be sure to go and visit my website at www.spiritweaverjourneys.com to find out more about this very special, unique program to help you stay healthy, strong, and centered in these challenging times. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the online workshop. Have a great day or night, wherever you are.